name is John Douglas Hallesy. That was my uncle that was named Douglas. And my cousin also has a middle name Douglas, and he was kind of happy that we did that. But anyway, that's beside the point. My previous role was at Oracle, and I was actually working on the cloud integration there. So I learned about OCI, and we were developing a backup solution for the flash storage team. And unfortunately, the flash storage team missed the deadline to implement a dual controller feature. And the OCI team decided to go with a RAID software solution. So they laid off our team, and the flash storage team, and 150 people were let go in Santa Clara and Santa Clara. But I did learn how to implement a proxy for the OCI cloud to protect the backup solution. So I learned a lot about cloud integration in that role. So that's why I was drawn to AWS certification. So that's really my story. I've been also trying to learn Terraform, because that's a infrastructure as code language, and that seems to be a good way to create your infrastructure without having to copy it from a spreadsheet, which is always prone to errors. And would maintain the patch levels and distribute it all across the cloud cluster very securely. Anyway, that's my story. And so Sprintzeal is very good for me to be doing to learn, get that AWS certification.
Okay. And any feedback about the trainer, Amaya?
He's been great. He's been very easy to understand, and has guided us through a lot of the features of AWS in a way that allows us to receive the training that we need to pass the certification exam.